It felt like my hand was being held through a really difficult period.
This service played a big part in keeping me at university.
If you're struggling with things emotionally or with regards to your mental health, you're not on your own. The Counselling and Mental Health Service is here to help.
I never felt judged and was welcomed and accepted.
If you have a mental health difficulty, we offer practical guidance and support to help you manage your studies. If you find yourself in a crisis, we're here for you.
My mental health advisor was great, friendly, caring, and followed up to make sure I was okay.
Counsellors offer a safe, confidential space to talk about things that are troubling you, from a major loss to feeling anxious about something coming up. No issue is too small.
My counselling sessions helped me see things in a different light. They had a positive impact on how I viewed challenging situations.
The student experience is amazing, but we also know that at times life can be challenging. We're a friendly team here to support you, so do reach out if you need to.